Hey guys, I'm back. Go. We got 3 packs, 3 boxes. Let's read some names. This is going to be break 352. Thank you, Josh, for picking up Tampa Bay. Appreciate you. I know, man, it's whack now. You got everything. It's pretty much goods and services. So, break 352. Go. Let's read some names. Ken M with the Diamondbacks, Marlon with the Braves and Orioles, Joey with the Red Sox, Timothy B with the Cubs, White Sox, Lisa P, John A, Reds, Edmund with the Guardians, Marlon with the Rockies, Tom P, Tigers, Corey G with the Astros, Chris M with the Royals, Ken M with the Angels, Daniel V with the Dodgers, Michael F with the Marlins, Aaron G with the Brewers, Tom P with the Twins, Joshua has the Yankees, Ken M with the Mets, Marlon with the A's and Phillies, Joshua's got the Pirates, Kevin B with the Padres, Marlon with the Giants, Joshua with the Mariners, Michael F with the Cardinals, Joshua L picked up the Rays, Marlon with the Rangers, Aaron with the Jays, and Michael F with the Nationals. Thank you so much, guys, for buying in. Congratulations on winning your teams. Now let's pull some fire. Here we go. Those are all the names for break 352. All right, guys. Good luck, everyone. Appreciate everyone. Let's do this. I'm looking for that J. Was it the J-Rod? Is that what I'm looking for? This is not our final 3. We still have more coming.
Yeah, we got 3 left. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we got more coming.
Yeah.
We got more coming.
From, where'd you call them?
From Fanatics.
Fanatics.
Or what is it called?
Fanini?
Fanini or Fanatics? Let's get some good stuff. Yes, Mateo. Basketball is after this. That is correct, sir. We're actually right on time, so for the most part, just a few minutes behind. But don't you worry, we'll get there. So, Josh, what's going on, Brian? What you been up to? How's work? How's Arizona?
Josh is living the dream. He's got Philly, Philly's doing well.
Yeah, Philly, well, you guys better come back. Can't let Houston win, right? You know, that would be soul crushing for you. All right, here we go. Let's find some fire here.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
What happened? Those got me depressed, yeah. Jake Berger, Chrome rookie. A Mike Trout, Piper for the Angels. There we go. We got a purple Buster Posey, purple speckle for the Giants. That is number 2/299. 28 of 299. 28, too close. Right there. 28 of 299. Purple Buster. Zach Greinke's Chrome. Vierling rookie. Joey Votto. Throwback. You right there? Getting blown up. Hey, Brian De La Cruz from Miami on card auto for an outfielder, Miami. Brian De La Cruz. Congratulations. See, now we're all going. See what you started? You started a trend. We're all getting blown up. Sixer sucks. Birds running shit. Yeah, Birds are definitely doing well, man. Alexander Wells. I had Dallas Goedert in my fantasy last night. Put up 27 points. Yeah. Kyle Seager. Chrome. Yeah. Jared Walsh. Hyper. Future star Bo Bichette. Cal Raleigh. Rookie. Classics. Trey Turner. A Devers. Chrome. Brandon Marsh. Here's a Wander Franco throwback for the Rays. All right. First half. C said, I'm saving up for this. Already? Yeah, I hope so. I really do. Be nice to see somebody else win the Super Bowl for a change. All right. Let's continue. 20K? You think that's what it's going to cost to go to the Super Bowl? Like, what are you doing? Are you getting a... I mean, how many people are going? Are you looking for, like, on-field passes or something for 20K? Yeah, what in the world's going to cost you $20,000, man? Assuming, like, 300 level tickets are not going to cost 20 grand, dude. Obviously, if you want to be close up, yeah, I guess that would be. Or are you punting for them or something? What are you doing? $10K each, lower level is normal. Okay. Who you taking? Who's the +1? Josh, who's the +1? Is it ODB? You're taking ODB, aren't you? All right, here we go. Ernie Clement, Dylan Carlson, Jacob deGrom throwback, Jackson Reitz. Definitely not wifey. Ooh. Is it a girlfriend gang? Contreras. Sammy Long.
You're trying to get everyone in trouble.
I'm like, who are you gonna pay $10,000 for? It better be like your dad or brother or something, or I don't know, like Make a Wish. Who are you taking for 10 grand, dude? Sean Manea, Chrome. That's a nice gift. Me? You taking me? Brandon Lowe, Hyper. You're right there. Athletics, Matt Olson. Speckle. Marte, Chrome. Zach Pop, rookie. Trey Turner, Chrome. Manoa, Hyper. Jake Berger, rookie. Part of the City, Aaron Judge. Insert. Classics, Alvarez. Chrome, Falefa. Jose Abreu, Sox throwback. Yeah, I get that, man. That's why I said first Chrome pack. Well, Tyler, I don't know. Michael Bradley, Nolan Arenado, Mike Moustakas, and a Xander Bogaerts Chrome from Boston. Space. I got box 2. That first box was Who was the second auto?
I see you pull a second.
Well, you know how like sometimes they sneak by you. You may have to check that. Because I only saw one auto so far. Well, I know. I don't remember pulling one, but like I said, it's easy to miss it sometimes. Like even if it sometimes it's on this stuff, you know, on the speckles. You can tell me. It doesn't even say on average. It says per box. It'd be unusual. Sure.
Careful there.
All right. Ow! I hurt myself.
I got nothing.
Are you serious?
Negative goals right now.
Wow. They shorted us an auto. That's insane. Yeah, they're already ruining shit. That's nuts. And I know sometimes the autos are very hard to see. So I was like,
on like that.
yeah, that would be hard, right? But that's weird. Bullshit. Fanatics already fucking shit up. Those are the next t-shirts we're making.
Fanatics?
Yeah, Fanatics or Fanini. Panini and Fanatics. No, you don't like?
Things I don't like.
That sucks, man. I don't think I've ever seen that it didn't give us 2 autos, or am I wrong?
Well, but it's gonna have compacts, right? Tyler, for the... Did I put Chrome breaks for tomorrow? I don't think I did. Tomorrow's Topps update.
Ryan Velade, Duran, a Cedric Mullins Chrome, Stuart Fairchild rookie, Buxton Hyper. I'm gonna be careful looking for Sammy Long purple speckle for the San Francisco Giants. $2.99, 122 to 2.99. San Francisco. And we have a Yu Darvish. Ooh, that's cool. I love these. The negatives. Yu Darvish for San Diego. Kevin B. That's cool looking right there, man.
Yeah, Tyler, it's got silvers in it.
The negative print.
Those are our last 3 boxes for the time being.
Nice hit. Patrick Wisdom, Jesus, Chrome. Cabrera rookie, Reitz rookie, Riley Adams rookie, A Means, Hyper, Siri. Heart of the City, Miguel Cabrera for Detroit. Classics, Luis, Lindor, Chrome, Aaron Judge, Duran throwback, Louis Gill rookie, Austin Riley Chrome, that sucks. So it begins there, Fanatics. Fanatics, Panini, Fanatics.
Okay there?
Nope. Yippity, yay. What do we got today? Thank you guys so much for joining us on this Friday night as we break some baseball, basketball, football, and, well, that's it, I guess. No soccer today. All right, here we go. Come on. Let's make up for that missing auto. Contreras rookie, Matt Manning. Love his auto as usual. For Detroit, Tom P. Matt Manning, purple. The 250 to 250. Last one off the line. 250 to 250, Matt Manning, Detroit. Nice. What? Tyler,
man.
Sammy Long, Chrome. That's good. That's good. Kirilov, Hyper, Matt Manning again, future star of Madrigal, Classics, Alonzo, Detmers, Chrome rookie, Jake Berger, Clement, Tim Anderson, throwback, Joe Ryan. There's the second auto, thank God. Zach Plesic. He is a pitcher for the Cleveland Guardians. Zach Plesic. Matt Chapman, Chrome. Shane Baz, rookie. Carson Kelly, Hyper. Wander Franco, rookie. Ronald Acuna, insert for the Braves. Luis Robert for the White Sox, Chrome. Chas McCormick rookie, a Lothar rookie, Dalbec future, Nolan Arenado throwback, Molina. No, Tyler, that's Jeremy Burke. Jeremy.
Yeah, that's his usual
That's his-
weekend guy.
Yeah, Jeremy's a good guy. He is a good guy. Oh, we got 3 up there now. This is cool though.
Negative.
Yeah, the negative. Oh wait, I forgot the silver pack. Stop everything. Silver pack time. Zach Greinke. What do we got here? Oh, Zach Greinke. Marte. A throwback of Nolan Arenado. And Luis Garcia Chrome for Houston. I even cut this.
Haven't really broken with him, bro.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Ouch is right. Bless you. Ouch is right. Ouch is right. This is why we gotta end this like on fire. Like we have to. We just have to.
Ouchie on my boot.
What did you say? Did you say ouch? Did you say ouch on my booty?
Stupid.
The hell did you just say? That ouch, ouch, you're on my hair? Is that what you're trying to say? Is that what it was?
You wanna try this or no?
Just to be nice?
Pending?
Just to be nice? Yeah.
Pending?
Depending how this goes, we may be nice.
Might be extending this.
We
break.
might be extending this ouch. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that, Josh? If we extend this particular ouch, this 352 ouch. What do you feel? How do you feel about that?
Basketball people might be like, really?
Basketball people are patient people. You know how I know? Because they're watching basketball right now. What's going on? Oh, he said it believes it's warranted.
Oh.
So, I mean,
Whoa.
that's downright demanding.
Damn.
He said, I wouldn't expect anything less. I agree with him, though.
Like, I paid good money for this.
Right. He goes, I got Tampa Bay for $30, man. How do you, and you don't give me a Wander Franco auto? Expired redemptions are the crazy hits. No shit. All right, here we go. Jacob deGrom, throwback. Oops. Zach Pup, rookie. Pup. Part of the city, Muncie. Insert. Andre Jackson, Chrome, rookie. Smith, Hyper. Walker Bueller, insert for the Dodgers. Moncada, Hyper. Not Hyper, Jesus. Chrome. Too many words in my head floating around. There's a Zach Pop, Miami Marlins, on card auto. There you go. Shane Bieber, Buster. Matt Vierling, Chrome, rookie. Max Scherzer, Hyper. Juan Soto Classics, Lewis Gill, rookie, Chrome. Vierling, rookie. Throwback Jose Abreu. Kyle Riley, rookie. I said Joseph. Yeah, just because I said Joseph. Hey, Joseph. For absolutely no reason whatsoever. I said Joseph. All right, so let's see if we can end on a strong note, and then see what my partner, aka Santa Claus, has for you guys. It is that time. It is that time of season. I'm already hearing Christmas music, guys. So why not? It's the season of giving. We're giving thanks. We're giving presents. Thanksgiving.
Not good.
Oh, this. Why are you shaking your head over there? His whiskey wore off, guys.
I did.
This doesn't find me funny anymore. Oh, Ark loves Christmas. He loves going on that North Pole, you know what I'm saying? Someone's getting in trouble today, that's for sure. Xander Wells, rookie. Future star Luis Garcia. Duran Duran, chrome. A hyper of Curtis Terry. Ooh, a Brandon Woodruff. Gold wave to 50. 38 of 50. 38 of 50. Brandon Woodruff for the Milwaukee Brewers. Gold wave. Congratulations. At least we saw some color. Max Muncy, chrome. Brandon Marsh. Heart of the City, Tim Anderson. Joey Votto, throwback. Seth Beer, rookie. There you go. Whit Merrifield, nice blue. KC. There you go. Whit Merrifield, 16 of 150. I don't know, but I think that guy's pretty decent. Maybe I'm wrong. Tell me, Josh. Kansas City, Chris M. With the Whit Merrifield on card.
The what?
The wet man. Wet Mary. Like the blue on blue on blue. Zach Thompson, rookie. Rodolfo Castro, Ryu. Chrome.
He said no comments.
Oh, jeez. Is he? So he's no good? Jesus Luzardo. Hyper. I made it all out for nothing. Jake Myers. Read the room, man. Read the room. Eloy Jimenez, classics. Luzardo, chrome. Another Wander Franco throwback. All right, I guess that box is warranted. Oh, hold on. We still got that silver pack. Come on, silver pack. Rescue us.
Oh, that was funny. That's like no comment.
Connor Wong, rookie. Pete Alonso. Max Kranick, rookie. And a Ryan Anderson, chrome. Wow. This is a base. What do we got here? What is this? Oh my god, that's thick. How many cards are in this, man?
A lot. You gotta power through it.
Oh, I'm gonna power through the hell of this. All right, guys, we got a Topps update series. Hobby. That's right. Power through it. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus Lane. Oh, look at, is that where it is?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? I'm not opening that one. Maybe we should just open that and leave this alone.
He said it's a lot.
Oh my god. All right, you know what? I don't agree with this. Can I take it back now? Holy crap. Look at all these cards,
How many packs
man.
are in there?
Huh?
How many packs are in there?
How many? I don't know.
No,
Too
just
many.
search it. Count it.
I'm just gonna go through it. You go read the box. Read the box, man. Holy
24?
24 packs? God, what are you doing to me?
24 times 14
Yeah?
Yep.
What is that? 300? That's like 300.
equals a lot.
Travis in the house. What's up, Travis? Oh my god. Basketball people are going to be hating you. Not me, you. Couldn't find a smaller box, huh? Let's find the one with the most cards possible. All right, I'm just going to start now because it's getting awfully crazy. All right. I'm just going. I'm not even stopping at the rookies, guys. You know if they're there. I'm just going to stop at stuff like this.
Yeah.
Johnny Mize, St. Louis Cardinals. There you go. Nice little insert. Let's get through all this. I'll show all the cards for posterity, but I certainly will not be stopping or naming rookies because nobody cares. This is... Oh, there's a J-Rod. Oh, my Lord. Oh, this card's all... Snowing when he's playing?
There's certain inserts in there.
Well, that was like a snowing one. Did you see that? I think it was a Christmas special. Matt Brash, 35th anniversary throwback. I'm serious. Did you not see that? I'm not making that shit up, man. Is this how I'm breaking this tomorrow, by the way?
Yeah.
Okay, because there's no way I'm stopping. What do we got here? We do have a Tony Gonsolin for the Dodgers. I'm going to call this the... Holy shit, it's to 2022. 1088 to 2022. This is the poo-poo border. Call it the poo-poo border. God, dude. Thank God I know what I'm getting myself in tomorrow.
A better way, right?
I love it. Ooh, what is this? Nice Topps black gold. Spencer Torkelson for the Tigers. Not numbered, but looks cool nonetheless. Congrats. Let's keep it going. I haven't even opened half the box yet. What do we got here?
Mateo, it's next, brother.
3,000.
We just extended it.
No, 3,000 hits, career elite. There you go, Detroit. Nick Lodolo. Throwback. Oh my God, you're probably so happy you're not sorting this. Yeah, don't kill the messenger. You laughing over there, buddy?
I'm not.
You having a good time? We're all laughing. Here we go. Here we go. Aces up for New York. Whatever that means. Veteran combos. Jacob deGrom and Max Scherzer. Ooh, it's like one of those old high school photos, you know, like of your high school photo with the, you know what I'm talking about?
Like before and after?
No, like the high school class photo of your individual photo that like what they did the, what's this? Stephen Kwan, new generation?
You lost me.
Yeah. You know what? I don't have the time to be witty at this pace. These conditions are very difficult. Ryan Mountcastle, home field advantage. That's kind of cool. All right. And CJ Abrams throwback.
That was kind of like, you know, the.
I'm glad you have time to look at these cards and enjoy it.
Downtownish
Yeah, sure.
design.
Is it though? I mean, is it?
I don't know. Oh, really, man?
What do you say?
He said you should make him open it.
Well, listen. My job is to open it, no matter what. I'm not giving this job up. Tyler, you know what happens if I give this to him? I'll be buying into these breaks. This fixes my itch, man. This is part of my like.
That's a hit. All right, cool. See, I knew it was something about it.
Okay, cool. This is like my parole, my breaking parole halfway house, where I get to break cards to teach me from breaking. I'm sweating. No joke. I'm literally got a sweat going right now.
It's all good, man. Not that far behind.
It doesn't matter. You tell that to the guy named Mateo. Okay? Bet you he'd beg to differ.
You tell Mateo why we're late?
Yeah. All right. Paragon. Blue Brock. Throwback of Brian Stott. Oh, they got these dual cards too. It's like, ooh, piece of candy. Lou Gehrig for the New York Yankees. Joshua. Lou Gehrig auto. I'm joking, but Lou Gehrig. Poo-poo. Dakota Hudson Poo-poo to 2022. 259 to 2022 for St. Louis. Jake Lamb. I'm going to say this is like a chrome, silver, hollow, something. A lot of variations in this, huh? Mm-hmm. Aaron Judge throwback. There you go, New York. All right, final stack. Hey, look at that!
Wow.
Mike Trout.
There you go, Angels.
Angels. Bet you don't complain now, huh? Huh, Ken? Huh, Kenny?
I don't think Ken was complaining.
No, but I'm just making it seem. Special event patch card autograph parallel of Mike Trout for the Angels. Check that out.
Congrats.
Congratulations. Holy shit is right. Kenny. But you didn't think you're going to get a Mike Trout of update. Kenny, say hello, Kenny. Kenster. Where you at, man? Say hello. And another Mike Trout. Topps Gold. It's raining trout. That's what they say at the strip club. Never mind.
What kind of strip club are you going? Oh my, I can't.
The sushi bar. What are you talking about? Royce Lewis throwback. I can't.
You get a breakup?
Ooh. Montero, Colorado Rockies. What is this? Like a nice card, though. It's numbered to 199, 155 to 199. Elehuris Montero. The calisthenics. Where's Kenny? Kenny! Who killed Kenny? Where is he?
Good time.
And we still have the pack. I don't have any energy for this one.
There's like 4 cards in there.
Oh, whatever. Like, that's going to matter now.
You're doing 3-box break with that tomorrow.
Oh, Jesus Christ. We got Carlton Fisk. They're like Mojos, I guess.
I don't.
Throwback Mojo, not numbered. Nice Carlton Fisk. Congrats, White Sox. A Mark McGuire. Little Mojo Oakland action. Throwback. Look cool, though.
Josh probably knows what they're called exactly.
Right. A Nick Lodolo. Josh, what do you know about these? How about a Wander Franco purple, number to 75, 33 of 75. Unpaid Magic.
Last card.
Last card.
Merry Christmas, Josh.
Oh, this is not a card.
No.
Oh. Wander Franco purple Mojo. Bang, bang, baby. Unpaid. Congratulations. And Mike Trout, Ken. All right, let's. I'm only recapping autos. Whit Merrifield, blue, number 2, 150, and Zach Pop and Matt Manning, purple, to 250, and Placich, Dela Cruz, and some of the better cards, of course, are we got the Nick Lodolo, the Mark McGuire, Carlton Fisk, a nice red something. I don't even know what they call this. Montero to 199. Brian Woodruff to 50. 38 to 50. Gold Wave. Yu Darvish, negative. Sammy Long, purple speckle to 299. Buster Posey to 299. And a Wander Franco purple to 75.
Josh, that's because we get that what do you call them?
What?
Panatics?
Panatics. This is the Panatics box.
Yeah, this is the Panatics hookup.
That means you're going to buy you more.
We'll be right back. Thank you guys for your patience.
Mike Trout, Ken. I will be right back. Sorry.
We'll be, 1 minute, you guys. We'll be back. Sorry, basketball guys and ladies.